Hi, I'm Mike Palmer, Certified Financial Planner and founder of ARC Royal Wealth Management. If you're a few years from retirement or already in retirement, you know how unsettling a market downturn can feel. When the financial media is full of doom and gloom, it can be challenging to maintain your investment discipline. Today, I want to walk you through how we help retirees stay disciplined and confident and keep their financial plan on track, even under difficult market conditions. We advise our retired clients, or those within 2 years of retirement, to keep 12 to 18 months of anticipated portfolio draws in a cash reserve account. Why? Since we know they'll be using portfolio draws to live on, we want a cash reserve account that we can turn to in the event market gyrations take their investment portfolio down by 10% or more. By suspending distributions from the investment portfolio and replacing them with distributions from the cash reserve account, we avoid selling out of equities at lower prices. According to Yardeni research, the average bear market, which is a decline of 20% or more, lasts about 9 months. So our cash reserve strategy allows time for the equity markets to normalize. Knowing this plan is in place before a market downturn provides valuable peace of mind for our clients and helps them stand firm, unlike many investors who panic out of the market at the wrong time. One client told us this strategy was like a soundproof wall between them and the media hysteria so prevalent when we experience stock market declines. In rare cases, the cash reserve might need to be replenished before the equity markets recover. That's when we're strategic about where the needed liquidity comes from. Instead of selling stocks or rebalancing pro rata, we raise cash from the fixed income portion of your portfolio. This approach helps in 2 important ways. Number 1, it avoids locking in losses on equities. And number 2, it nudges your portfolio back towards its original asset allocation target. This isn't just smart, it's disciplined. It's how we help you navigate the occasional market downturns that are part of the normal journey of investing. Let's look at an example. James and Sarah Smith retired in 2024 at age 67 and have a $7,000 monthly distribution set up from James's IRA. At year-end 2024, they had a cash reserve equal to 12 months of expected distributions. Their target allocation is 70% stocks, 30% bonds. Let's look at the week of March 31st through April 4th, 2025. On Wednesday, April 2nd, President Trump announced significant tariffs in what is being called the Trump tariff tantrum. The stock market, as measured by the S&P 500, responded to this news, falling 10% in the next 2 days. But what about the bond portion of the Smiths' portfolio? As you can see, their bond allocation had a positive return. While the Smiths have adequate cash for their 2025 distributions, if we needed to replenish the cash reserve, we would do so by selling bonds. When the market gives you lemons, we make lemonade. During downturns, we look for opportunities to harvest tax losses in your taxable accounts. That means selling investments at a loss and immediately reinvesting in similar funds to maintain your overall investment strategy. The benefit? Those realized losses can either be applied to reduce your ordinary income or be used to offset capital gains now or in the future. And sometimes you can do both. This is a great tax planning strategy when markets decline. Tax loss harvesting is one of the often overlooked advantages of the proactive tax planning we do for our clients. So let's recap. At Ark Royal, we've already planned for the downturn by maintaining 12 to 18 months of distributions in a cash reserve account. This helps you counteract the natural emotion one experiences during market declines. Our clients are far less likely to succumb to panic selling as a result. If cash is needed, we look to the fixed income portion of the portfolio, which is typically far less volatile. And finally, we engage in strategic tax loss harvesting to capture tax benefits you'll be able to use both now and into the future. The key is discipline, not reaction. Markets will go up and down, but at Ark Royal, your retirement plan is built with that in mind. If you're working with a financial advisor, make sure they're keeping your plan aligned. And if you're navigating this on your own, remember, long-term success comes from staying the course. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more financial tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more about the benefits of working with a truly independent and objective fee-only financial advisor, we welcome the opportunity to talk with you.